In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Canva quiz video guessing animal. We're going to walk through this step by step, so even if you're new to Canva, you'll be able to follow along and create your own fun, interactive quiz video by the end. First, open Canva and head over to your main projects or home dashboard. Once you're there, look for the button that says Create or Create a Design. This is usually found near the top of the page. Go ahead and click on that. This is how you start any new design in Canva, whether it's a presentation, a video, or a social media post. After you click Create, a search bar will appear where you can type in the kind of project you want to make. In that search bar, type the word quiz. Canva will then show you different quiz-related formats and templates, often including quiz presentations and quiz videos. This helps narrow things down so you're not scrolling through hundreds of unrelated templates. Now, from the results that appear, choose a design format that supports video. Look for something like a quiz video or a presentation style that you can animate and export as a video. Select the option that best matches the platform where you'll be posting, like a horizontal format for YouTube or a vertical format for short-form video. Once you click on the design, Canva will open a new editor window with a blank canvas or a basic starting layout. Inside the editor, look over to the left-hand side of your screen and click on Templates. This is where Canva keeps all its ready-made layouts for different themes and purposes. Using templates will save you a lot of time because they already include layouts, fonts, and colors designed to work well together. With the Templates panel open, move to the search bar at the top of that panel and type in Guess Animal. Press Enter and Canva will load a collection of templates related to animal guessing games and quizzes. You'll see a variety of styles, from playful and colorful to more minimal designs.